Hello world, welcome back all you YouTubers. Today is March 20th, 2009. This is day number 4 in my series of Master Cleanse Diet Days. As a reminder, we're going to be doing this for 28 days. Thank you for those again who've left me a little bit of comments, and those of you that are subscribing to my videos. Really thankful. So I'm doing this not only for me now, but I'm also doing this for you as encouragement. Over the last couple of days, we've kind of discussed what I've done. More good news. Today I've lost an additional 2 pounds. So for a 4-day total, I have lost 5 pounds. As a reminder, I started off this diet at 203. Today I weighed myself and I am at 198. So really excited about this. Again, tremendous amount of energy. Today I want to take a step back and just kind of go over a few things. I'm going to introduce the items that I am using, or the products that I'm using to help me lose this weight. I'm not quite sure if some of you are familiar with the Master Cleanse diet. If you are, or if you're viewing this for the first time and don't know too many facts about this, I'm kind of going to do this quickly, but hopefully this will kind of give you an understanding and you can basically go from there. First and foremost, the book by Stanley Burroughs is called The Master Cleanse Diet. Here it is. It's going to show up on your screen backwards, but I'm sure you can make this out. You can pick it up for $6.95 at Whole Foods or at Barnes & Noble. Another good tool, another good book is this book here by Dr. Peter Glimick. It's Lose Weight, Have More Energy, Be Happy in 10 Days. This is a good guideline and tool. It's just an extension of Stanley Burroughs. It's about a 30-year update, but again, some of the same things are similar. It's just modernized for you. Now, as you are familiar with the Master Cleanse diet, it's basically lemon, cayenne pepper, and maple syrup. So I'm going to introduce some of the products that I'm using. It's also important that you take your laxative tea in the evening and do your salt water flush in the morning. So starting with the night of, it's very important that you do take your Senna tea. This is what I'm using here. It's caffeine-free Senna leaf tea bags. Again, it's going to show up backwards in your video, but I think you can make it out for the most part. I picked this up for, I think, $5. It's a 30-day supply. You take one of these each night. If you can't do the saltwater flush, I recommend taking one of these in the morning and one at night. So again, this is to help with the laxative process. So one at night, 2 a day if you can't take the saltwater flush. Which brings me to the saltwater flush. This is something that you're going to need to do in the morning, each morning when you wake up. It's hard, but let me tell you, I've seen some of your postings. Do it with warm water. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, 32 ounces. Let me tell you, it is much easier to take down than doing it cold. This is the product that I'm using. This is what I highly recommend. It's called Light Gray Celtic Sea Salt. It's not too expensive. It's about $6, but this will last you for definitely the 10 days and beyond. Remember, 2 teaspoons of this, not tablespoons, but teaspoons. Very important to not get those confused. Again, 2 teaspoons of this with 32 ounces of warm water, 3 minutes in the microwave. It'll make the process that much easier. Trust me. After this, you're on your own, but this is the best that I could find, and I think it will do the job well. Now, going into the other items, of course, you're going to need lemons. I use organic lemons from Whole Foods. You may use other lemons, but don't use lemon juice. It's not good for you. Do the lemon. I bought a Black & Decker plug-in juice squeezer, $19 at Walmart. It is the best thing. It'll save you so much time. You can knock it out in minutes. So please invest in that too as well. Black & Decker juice squeezer, $20, Walmart. Organic lemons, Light Gray Celtic Sea Salt, the 2 books. And finally, the most important product, sorry about that, that you need is your maple syrup. Now, here is Whole Foods 365 Grade B 100% pure maple syrup. This is what's the most important thing, Grade B. This is the most expensive part of your diet, depending on how many days you're going to do it. You need 2 tablespoons of this per 8 ounces of water. I recommend doing 64 ounces of the water of the lemonade diet. That's 8 glasses a day at 8 ounces, 2 tablespoons per glass. So 16 all day if you're going to do the diet at one time in 64 ounces. But grade B is what you need to find. Unfortunately, $18.99, but again, it's worth it because you're figuring you're spending that easily on something during the day that you're snacking on, or lunch, or a combination thereof. So just some few things I wanted to point out for you. I know we haven't kind of gone over that, but again, thank you for all of those that are subscribing to this video. Encourage more feedback, more comments, rate me. Listen, 5 pounds, 4 days, tremendous amount of energy. In fact, I don't know, I might even work out today. It is important. I do recommend those 2 books again, The Master Cleanse by Stanley Burroughs, which is the original, and of course the one by Dr. Glimick. Excuse me. Here it is again, Master Cleanse. Here it is again, the other book by Peter Glimick. All right, listen, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. It is the weekend. If you're starting, it's going to be tough, but I know you can do it. Come back to me. Ask me any questions. I'll be here for you. Good luck, and I'll see you guys again soon. Take care.